Hi guys and girls, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm showing you the super scary Dracula meter. This is as scary as meter is ever going to get. Now a question for all the viewers out there. What is your favorite scary movie? Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to rate, favorite, subscribe, comment and all that other scary stuff. And we'll see you next time. Like always, for more Fluffy Jet toy reviews, please click any of the previews on your screen right now.